What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another full day of eating. So as you guys seen in the previous clips, I did a little bit of cleaning this morning and I worked out. You guys didn't see any working out stuff, but now it is officially time for the first meal of the day, which is breakfast, which is my favorite meal, and I've been eating it for like probably a month and a half now. Like, I kid you not, I have to eat this every day. Like, it guarantees that I'm gonna hit my protein goal for the day. So what you need for this omelet is 4 eggs. I like to have 4 eggs, 3 chicken sausages. I actually got these from Costco. It was like a big pack of like 3 of them. I believe the brand is, I don't remember the name of the brand. You're gonna need some baby tomatoes, arugula, red onion, and cheese. Look at my breakfast. We got a whole omelet. Let's see what the macros looking like. So this whole thing is 544 calories. Let's look at what the macros are. So it's 42 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 38 grams of fat. I know it's very high in fat because, well, for one, I changed my source of protein. I always change my, not always, but sometimes I change my source of protein when it comes to my omelet. But I know those chicken sausages have fat, the eggs itself, and then you know that chili oil or that crunchy onion oil that I use. These are 2 sauces that I put on top, and I did track both of them. So for this one, 1 teaspoon is 5 calories, and for this one, 1 tablespoon is 10 calories. I don't go over or hit that for each of those. But I even put like 2 slices of ultra thin provolone. It's just so good and like packed with flavor, high in protein. You get some veggies like the onion, the arugula, the tomatoes. Usually though, instead of chicken sausage, I do turkey sausage. It's lower in fat, everything, but this is good. And when I kid you not, y'all, I'm not even lying, I eat an omelet damn near every day. It makes no sense. Almost every week or every 2 weeks, I'm buying a new thing of eggs, but like the big container of eggs. Like, that's how much I eat eggs. Like, and don't get me wrong, I'm cool with egg whites, but right now, these is what helped me. I just eat my regular eggs. Alright guys, so now it is time for our next meal. I've been sitting there editing. I actually went to go pick up some boxes from a friend that brought them to me from work because I'm getting ready to move, and I took my boys outside. They look like wet chickens, but I'm ready to eat. I don't know about y'all. Are y'all ready to eat? Let's eat. Let's get into it. So we got lunch here. We got a chicken tzatziki sandwich and a protein shake. Y'all, I've been making this protein shake for the past 4 days and it's so good. I've been using 3 scoops of aqua collagen because each scoop is 10 grams of protein. So 3 scoops water, 2 heaping tablespoons of sugar-free vanilla Greek yogurt. Y'all seen it, the Chobani one. And some chia seeds and some frozen mangoes, and you blend this together. Like, it's like a tropical paradise in a cup. And then this chicken, I just seasoned it, put it in the air fryer. Add some veggies. And that tzatziki sauce. So tzatziki is like a Greek or Mediterranean type of sauce, but it's made out of Greek yogurt. Y'all seen how much I put, and that was only 33 calories. This is so good. If you get tzatziki, get the Boar's Head brand. Bussin'. The macros. So the sandwich is 37 grams of protein. The shake is 40 grams of protein. So in total we got 70 grams of protein. The lunch was 290 calories. My shake was 279 calories. So basically like 500 to 600 calories for both of these. But they're like damn near high as hell in protein. And I'm at 120 grams of protein already. And it's only lunchtime. It is my snack time. I'm going to show y'all what my snack is. My snack is my favorite yogurt, the Icelandic Provisions, in the flavor key lime. This flavor is top tier, okay? Hear me when I say this. Alright, it's 140 calories, as you can see, and it is 15 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fat. I don't know if you guys can read that, but I'm going to have that. But I'm also going to put like a little bit of chia seeds in there and a few frozen blueberries, because key lime and blueberries just go together. So this is 153 calories, right? 15 grams of protein. That's how much this is. Let's go ahead and stir that up. The frozen blueberry, the best. In the meantime, in about maybe 2 hours or so, maybe an hour, maybe 2 hours, I'm gonna start preparing my dinner. I'm pretty sure that's gonna be the last thing I eat for the day, just cause I gotta get ready for work tomorrow and I don't need to be eating too much. And I also want to have dinner ready before my man get home. So Alright you guys, this is the last meal of the day. I already started making like the little corn, tomato, red onion type salsa. So I'm going to be making chicken tacos for dinner, and I wanted to make it before my man gets home. He's on his way. I already checked his little location thing. He's on his way home, so I wanted his dinner to be fresh. And this is going to be my last meal of the day. Today was a very good eating day. I'm not even going to lie to you. So let's get to cooking.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her.
Alright, y'all. This is dinner. Some chicken tacos that I have made. And they're very, very high in protein. Let me tell you guys the macros. It's 513 calories. The protein is 60 grams of protein. See how many carbs it is. 35 grams carbs. And 14 grams of fat. So it doesn't have a lot of fat. It's low in carbs and it's very high in protein. And I tracked everything separately from like my man's food or whatever. I put my chicken in its own bowl and weighed it out. Weighed out my avocado, my corn, my feta cheese, like everything. So it's just shredded chicken breast, 3 corn tortillas, tomatoes, corn, red onion, arugula, 3 slices of ultra thin provolone cheese, and I broke them in half and just laid it on there. And then I just flattened it out like a quesadilla in the pan. This is what it looked like up close and personal. And it's good too. I let the chicken boil in that pot in the seasoning for like 4 hours. But in total today, for protein, I hit 195 grams of protein today, 109 grams of carbs, and 60 grams of fat today. If you eat chicken breast is high in protein. I always put it cooked and skinless because that's how I get my chicken breast. It's lean and it's clean. But that about wraps this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into.